What you will get: 120 pieces replacement sandpaper discs, 2 boxes. Use color box packaging. If you have friends who use electric foot file, this is also a good gift. Easy to use. The back of the replacement sandpaper discs is a sticker. Tear off the protective layer, use the adhesive layer to the position on the machine to be pasted, and gently press it after being pasted to ensure that it will not fall off during the work. More sanitary and healthy. When several people want to use electric foot files, sandpaper can be replaced. One person uses a piece of sandpaper, which can effectively prevent beriberi or onychomycosis. Wide range of applications. These callus remover tools are practical tools for nail salons, beauty salons, manicure schools, etc. They are also suitable for use at home. Regularly remove dead skin, calluses, cracked skin on the feet to keep the skin healthy and smooth. Lightweight and convenient. 1.69 inches in diameter, it can be applied with most round electric foot file on the market. When traveling, it can be put in a backpack or handbag, light and not occupying space. Top reviews from the United States. Good quality. Do not throw away the discs with moisture or soap and excess water on your feet when you file. Very comfortable for pedicurists, it is less tiring than the manual moon. It's really good, the discs stick well, there are others that end up peeling off easily.